Check this out, people. I just ended my live. Took a few more spins. Look what I hit. We live at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino. Let's hit that $8,000 major, $500 mini or minor, or the $100 mini. We're starting out with a nice one here. What are we at? We're at over $4,000 to start this 10-cent max bet bonus round. All right, another mini. Got a mini party. I'd rather have a big chip party. Another 500, another 200, 700 more. We're just under 5,000 bucks. Now we're over $5,000. Come on. Last spin here. We are all done. That's okay. That's a nice one. $5,400 on that $50 max bet. Amazing. Crazy. All right, guys, we are going to get paid. Sit tight, I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're going to record a little bit more here, see if we can get another one. I don't know if I want to change it. Some more $50 max bets. I'll show you guys what we're working with though. $141,000 grand, major $8,085. 10-cent denomination is all it's been hitting for me today. Minors at 500, minis at 100. Two of the cases, we need 3 or more. Ooh. We need more of those. Roulette wheels, $440 there.
There is no smoking or vaping indoors. There is an outdoor smoking area near Northern Lights Theater.
Back at it. Come on. One more. Oh. Some $25 bets. Come on. Whoops. Quick spin there on accident. So like I said, guys, during this live, this video will be posted way later, but during this live, I ended up playing every single bet amount virtually at every denomination. The only thing I was hitting is 10-cent $50 spins. That is it. But I didn't try anything, I lied, I didn't try anything under $25. Back to the big bets. $50 max bets. Ooh. Come on. There's 4. It's okay. These are all small numbers we're getting right now. There's 2. Back to $50. So there we burned through $1,000. Got nothing. We'll do some $50 spins at $1. Moves the mini to 1,000, minor to 5,000. $25 to spend. And you are eligible for any of the progressives at any bet amount on these machines. There's 3. So burn through 1,400 with nothing. 30 bucks. Thank you. Sorry. All right, he's carding the machine right now. Done? There's okay. I'm gonna get paid on that. You guys keep watching. One more. Oh, it's right on top and the bottom there. Thank you, buddy. Thanks. Come on. All right, we got a little one to start here. $400 to start this itsy bitsy teeny weeny $25 bet hold and spin bonus. We need something with some color and some words to get a hand pay. $450. One more, come on. We done. All right, a little one there, $575 on that $25 bet. Back to back, nope. Ooh. Come on, cases. $50 to spend. There's 4. We're gonna switch back to what has worked. 10-cent denomination, $25 to spend. Probably go to $50 for a little bit here. Minis down to 100, minors 500. There's 4 again. Come on! No! All little numbers.
Look at this motherfucker.
Yeah, that's... Ugh. Yellow cars, not yellow cases. A little bit more. Two cases again. I'm gonna be leaving next minute, probably. There's 4, all little ones. There's the last case up there. All right, one more 100 in this machine. Just kidding, we're gonna do 200 more. And I wanna go to 50-cent denomination, or 10-cent denomination. Do some more $50 bets. Discounted spin there. I'm gonna stop it. Oh, look at those. One more. Look at that. Just teasing you with your last $100. All right, coin flip. We didn't get it. We're gonna go on a session, guys. That was a fun one. Check out Mr. Handpay free spins if you have not yet. Thanks for watching.